It's me, Max, from Bike Skills. I'm just recording a quick intro because I've got two videos to put up on this video, which is me practicing wheeling, but the video is shaky and it moves a lot because my brother's recording and he's not the best. And I'm just gonna doing a quick bike review. Only like 30 seconds because I was in a public area and tons of people were walking past and looking at me. So yeah, see you on the video.
Going. Done.
Move back, I can't do it with you so close.
Blah blah blah.
Shut up.
You.
Harry, this isn't for my channel, it's for mine, Jack and
What?
for mine, Jack and Jamie's.
Why can't you just hold it yourself?
Because I can't really with one hand.
I have to do everything. Check out MH Survival 1. Survival MH1, I mean. Yeah, this is...
What is up, guys? It's me, Max from Bike Skills, and today we'll be doing a quick bike review. My Cannondale Trail 7. So my Cannondale Trail 7 for my birthday almost a year ago in January. And these are the parts that I've gotten and accessories for us so far. I got the chainstay protector, I got the water bottle holder, the grips, the new stem, the mug guard, the seat,